Are you struggling with turn off TalkBack? No problem, you are in right place. Now I am gonna showing how can you turn off accessibility TalkBack. So let's get started. Using your two finger, scroll up and down, swipe left and right. Use single finger and single touch to select any option. Go to phone setting menu. Go to accessibility menu, or you can find search setting to accessibility option. Then you can see accessibility option. Then open it. In accessibility option you can see many others option, so you choose talkback option and double click to open talkback menu. Then you can see use talkback option, so single touch to selection it and double click to turn off talkback option. If you found help in this video, then hit subscribe, comment and like button for get more helpful videos in future. Thank you.